What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're unboxing the 2019 Hot Wheels F case. We got a super treasure hunt in the 2019 E case, so maybe we'll get another one in the F case. This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Granatoys. Granatoys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, we'll start right at the top right here. First ones that we pull out, we've got the Hot Wheels Rapid Responder, the 1974 Escort RS 1600, and the 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. Nice color variations of those ones. What else do we have up top right here? The Hyper Rocker. This looks like a new casting. That's kind of a new cool fantasy casting. We've got the Tesla Roadster with Starman. We saw that in the previous case. Very, very cool casting. Love the Starman inside. We've got the Cruella Deville. We saw this previously in a Super Treasure Hunt and a mainline. Now we've got the same looking color as the previous mainline version with different wheels though. Then we've got the Street Wiener. We've got the Batmobile, crazy color of that one. And we've got a King Cuda in red, very nice. All right, let's move on. Next, we've got the Diaper Draper. We've got the Bone Shaker. And check out the new color variation of the Ford Escort RS. Very, very cool. I love this colorway variation of this car. There we go. We've got another one of the Bone Shakers right there. We've got the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. That looks like a new color variation as well. I do like that color variation. And then we've got the Humvee. Put those aside. Then next up, we have the Porsche 917 LH in the blue. We've seen that one previously, and this one I was really looking forward to. It's the brand new color variation of the Lamborghini Countach. They had it as a pace car before. Now they've released it as a police car, but I like it in the police car formation. Then we've got another one of the Hot Wheels Rapid Responders right there. We'll put that one aside. And what else do we have? We've got the Volkswagen SP2. We saw that previously. And we've got a brand new color variation of the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Check out that color variation. I like that. It's kind of like a silver, almost Zamac looking, but still, we'll open that one up in the future. TV series Batmobiles, the other car that we had there as well. These ones right here, what do we have? We have got the Zoom In. There's the Zoom In. Check out that Zoom In. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And we've got the Mazda REPU pickup truck, the Hotweiler. And after those ones, we've got Bogzilla. We've got a Fast Master. And check out new color variation of the Skull Shaker. That's a very interesting casting. We'll put those ones down and aside. And what else do we have down here? We have got, what do we have? We have the Street Wiener. We've got the I Believe. And we have the Back to the Future hover mode. And this does not look to be the Super Treasure Hunt variation. It's the mainline variation of that one, but still a very cool looking casting. And moving on to our next ones, we've got brand new color variation of the Dodge Viper GTS R. I like that. Check out that blue color variation. Looks awesome. Then we've got the Heavy Hitcher. And we've got the TV series Batmobile. This Heavy Hitcher is an interesting casting. I don't know if this is brand new. I haven't seen that one before. Let me know in the comments. Is that a brand new casting? I believe it is. We've got another Hot Wheels Rapid Responder. We've got the Custom 53 Cadillac and another Mercedes AMG GT. Let's go on and see the bottom 36 here. We'll start up at the top. We've got the Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. We've got the Volkswagen Golf GTI Momo Edition. I like this one. They had this one previously in red. Now we've got that yellow variation. I love the Momo on the side of it. And we got a Mercedes-Benz Unimog in the new color variation. That one's also a really, really cool one. Put those ones aside. What else do we have up top here? All right, oh, there's that Mustang again. We saw this one in the previous case. I absolutely love the color variation of that. And there is a Zamac variation coming out of it. We'll see that one probably shortly in stores. Then we've got the Rise and Climb and another one of the Tesla Roadster Starmans. All right, all right. What else do we have up top here? Volkswagen SP2, another one of those. We've got the DeLorean again. This one is not the Super Treasure Hunt, so it doesn't look like we're gonna get the Super Treasure Hunt of it, but we've got the Hyper Rocker as our last one there. I'll put those ones aside. I got cars everywhere now here. Let's grab these ones up top. What do we got here? We got the Fastmaster, we've got a Diaper Dragger, and we've got the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. Check that one out. All right, put those ones aside. What else do we have down here? The 71 Porsche 911, the Policia, the Custom 53 Cadillac, and the Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo. We all saw those ones in the previous case, but still nice ones to have. And we've got the Rocket Fire. Check out that shiny chrome gold on there. Eruption 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. And next up, we've got another one of the blue Porsche 917 LHs. We've got the Gruppo X24 and another Eruption down there. What else do we have? We have got, I believe, the Volkswagen Golf MK2 and the Hover Storm. That one's actually a pretty neat one. It's kind of like a hovercraft thing. Check that one out. Blacked out wheels and all that. That's gonna be interesting to open up. We'll have to open that one up in a future video. We'll put those ones aside. What else do we have? Another one of the Ford Mustang GTs in that awesome color. You guys know how much I love that casting. 232 Fords right there, that blacked out, nice matte black finish on them. And what else do we have down here? We've got the Cool Combi, looks like a new color variation. It's kind of a matte purple finish on it. Then we've got the Mountain Mauler and a new color variation of the Rip Rod. All right, we'll put those aside. Then we've got 57 Chevy. Ooh, that's a cool color variation of the 57 Chevy. We've got the Dune Azur and another one of the 71 Porsche 911 Policias. And at the very bottom, the last but not least cars, this one definitely I was looking forward to. It is the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32 in the new white colored variation, the Gruppo X24, and last but not least, we've got the brand new color variation of the HW50 Concept. Check that one out. We saw that one as our last of the 50th anniversary casting sets. One lucky person is gonna win all 4 of these cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels F case. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed and comment down below which was your favorite car from this case. I will announce the winner on Friday, March 1st. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.